Hey, I'm John. We're here about to switch out a tank for a tankless water heater system here again. Now this is something that most people don't know about, but this is an electric water heater, as you can tell, and we're going to switch it out for a gas tankless water heater system. We had to drop a new gas line over here. I'm going to get that ready to go. But Oklahoma Natural Gas, they do a $850 rebate. That was right, $850 rebate when you switch from an electric water heater to a gas water heater. So we're going to get that switched out today, and we'll we got the old heater out. We're gonna take our water lines. We're gonna reroute them down to here. These tankless heaters, they're bottom fed, so we gotta move those down. And we'll put our gas in, and we're gonna run a brand new vent up and out this out the roof. Got it all done. I want to kind of show you guys this. Kind of cool. This is your temperature setting, 125. And I'm going to run some water. I'm just going to run it right here in the pan, just to so I don't have to run back and forth inside. Run that water. That sensor's going to kick on. You see that flame sensor. Little information button here. We can kind of see the gallons per minute, which I just turned it off so it's not running. Outgoing water was 123, which is pretty good. We set it for 125, so they always kind of guarantee a 1 to 2 degree difference. Incoming water is at 52 degrees, so that's going to put us up on a 70 degree rise. Which is the difference between the 52 and the 122.